Please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell button to get notified about our latest videos.
10 products to create an accent wall that catch the eyes. Are you looking for products to create an accent wall? Or give your space a boost by making a focal wall? Then this video is for you. Let's check out these 10 interesting products to create a striking accent wall. 1. Metal decorative wall hanging modern 3D art sculpture. Features. Wall sculptures are a brilliant way to create accent walls. It is completely handcrafted with the use of traditional skills in wrought iron. The contemporary floral design adds a touch of modernity to the room. This attention-grabbing wall sculpture is sure to drive the decor of your room to another level. 2. Prism indoor and outdoor wall hanging planter. Features. These unique prism planters are bound to grab attention of your room. Apart from creating an accent wall, the planters will help in creating a calming effect in the room. The pack of 12 planters is made of high-quality plastic. These geometrical form planters are perfect to suit every decor and brighten up any space. 3. Real art, block decor, wall hanging plate 7 inches. Features. Wall hanging plates are yet another creative way to create an eye-catching accent wall. The printed plates are 7 in size and 100% scratch-proof. The colors used to print the design are high-quality German colors. These colorful plates will definitely give a style statement to any bare wall. 4. Wall decal stickers by Design Stickers Cart. Features. Stickers are one of the fastest ways to create an accent wall. Variety of prints available in the market to choose from. These can be formed to narrate a story or create drama on the wall. Try these out and you will definitely fall in love with them. 5. Intersecting floating shelves. Features. Wonderful idea to create a focal point without much effort. Not only provide an aesthetic appeal to the wall, the shelves also double up as storage. The clean and intersecting geometry makes it suitable for contemporary decor. No doubt that this product has the potential to make a drab wall into a chic and stylish one. 6. Maple craft wood brass wall art. Features. A very subtle contemporary art piece that will create a nice accent wall. A simple and minimalistic way of making a statement and an accent wall at the same time. The base of the art is made in wood and the leaves in brass. A handcrafted product that will make you say wow. 7. Moroccan lamp hanging pendant ceiling decorative chandelier. Features. This Moroccan lamp with an interesting pattern can create a striking accent wall. Not only do the patterns create an interesting wall, it also imparts warmth to the room and space. It features a 40 fully adjustable cord to customize the length according to space. A beautiful product that will make your ambience brighter and full of warmth. 8. Acrylic 3D mirror butterfly wall stickers. Features. 3D mirror wall stickers are a great way to create elegant accent walls. One simply needs to select the pattern and stick the pieces on the wall. The pieces are shatterproof, reusable and easy to clean. This beautiful product will surely give your wall a nice aesthetic and artistic appeal. 9. Floral accent wooden wall art. Features. This minimalistic art piece can amp up a wall instantly. A subtle piece of art that will add elegance and sophistication to a wall. The base is made of wood and the leaf work is done in metal. It can be paired with a console table or furniture item to create an exciting accent wall. This simple yet impactful art piece is surely going to create an eye-catching accent wall. 10. Multiple frames beautiful Buddha wall painting. Features. A nice painting can enliven a space in a snap of a finger by creating a nice accent wall. This is a full HD digital print of the painting. It has a base of 5mm Hudson board and glossy lamination on top to provide a smooth and scratch-proof surface. This wonderful painting will definitely attract all the attention towards it and onto the wall indirectly. Try these out and we can assure that these will surely help you in creating an exquisite accent wall. Give us your views on these products in the comments section. We would love to hear from you. Bye now. Links are in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos.